Welcome to ENC Aluminium Foil Tape Factory. This is where we produce aluminium tapes. Let's have a quick overview of the production line. Here we have a standard production line with 4 first-class professional processing equipment, including 2 slitter machines, 650 mm and 1200 mm, 1 fillet machine, 1400M, and 1 burr machine. It can process conductor materials with thickness of 0.23 mm and width of 1400 mm. It can provide a variety of inner hole diameters according to customer requirements. And we will add 1 fillet machine, 700 mm, and 1 slitter machine, 1600 mm, to meet different customer requirements. For the problem of burrs and the edge of the material, we have 2 processes to remove burrs, namely, edge pressing and edge fillet. What should be pointed out in particular is the edge fillet process, which is our COMPANY/S original patented technology. After fillet material, the edge is round, without any burr and edge collapse, and it is safer to use. We carefully manufacture products, inspecting them with our eyes, and constantly strive to improve manufacturing processes, and develop new techniques. In quality area established to ensure that each product is delivered to equivalent quality customers by performing an effective audit during the period from raw material to final product. Many tasks are preferred and the test results are recorded in database. We have professional testing equipment, 1 tensile machine, 1 hardness tester, 1 resistance tester, CT testing of each batch of materials, to ensure that product quality meets customer requirements. For a better service provided to customers, company keeping its packing sound to make customers get the goods quickly with high quality.